Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn Firebase Realtime Database data into chart in Vue.js using Vue-Chartkick. Okay, so first I've created a Vue.js file right here. I've also installed Tailwind because I'm using Tailwind. So the next step is let's open our browser and let's open Vue-Chartkick like this and go to the website and let's do the installation. I'll copy that and paste it here. Okay, so the installation has done. Let's move here. We need to import our Chartkick. So let's import it on main.js. Okay, and we're gonna put this right here before the mount. Let's delete this. Okay, let's save it and let's try. Okay, so how to use it? We could call it like this. Let's just copy paste it for the example. Okay, let's save it and I'll run it. I'll open it on browser. Okay, so it's here. Blueberry 44 and strawberry 23. Okay, so now we need to get the data from the Firebase and then put it right here. So first let's create a Firebase. Let's name it chart. Okay, so it's done and let's continue. Okay, let's click on web because we are using Vue. And again, let's put it chart. Okay, so let's copy paste it into our terminal. Let's create a new one. We need to install Firebase. And let's see here, we need to copy this and create a folder here named utilities, or I'll just name it utl, and create a file inside it with name firebase.js. And let's paste it here. And let's change this into firebase.instance.app, and let's delete this. Instead of using it, I'll use import Firebase from Firebase compat app. And because we're using database, so we need to import it. Import Firebase compat database. Okay, so the installation has done. We absolutely could use our Firebase right now, and let's turn back here and continue to console. And let's go to Realtime Database. And now let's create database. Okay, so here is our database, and now let's go to the rules. Click on edit rules and let's change it to true. Let's publish it. Okay, and now let's move to data, and let's create a data here, and let's create a, let's say, product. Okay, and let's create the data inside it, like 2018 with value of 5, 2019 with value of 2, 2020 with value of 7, and 2021 with value of 8. And let's click add. So we have create data at the real-time database. Let's turn back to our Vue.js. Okay, so we need to call it from our Firebase, like const db equal to Firebase dot database. Okay, sorry, database, like this. And let's export. Okay, so I'll name it product collection equal to db dot ref, and data slash what we name it, product, and then the last thing is like export default our Firebase. Okay, so we're done, and let's get back into our Vue, and let's use composition API for this. So let's create a setup. Okay, I'm gonna use reactive for this, so const state equal to reactive, and I'll make the data here like product dot, product data. Okay, let's make it as an object. Okay, and then let's create the unmounted, because we're gonna call our Firebase data to our Vue.js app. We're gonna use async and await for this. So let's do this. Let product data set equal to await, and product collection dot once, and the value. What is this issue? Okay, we need to use this. Okay, next let's input the data into our reactive. So state dot product data equal to product dataset dot value. Okay, so don't forget to return the state. Okay, just like this. Okay, let's save this, and let's go to our browser, and let's see. Okay, it's not changing. Oh yeah, it's not changing, of course. We need to call the data like state dot product data. Okay, it's no data. Let's see. Okay, so we have an empty data. Okay, let's go back here. Okay, I think the reactive will need to be here. Okay, so I think we missed something right here. We need to import our data, like product collection from our utilities. Okay, now let's see. Okay, so it's here. Yeah, it's here, and let's try to change the data, or I'll just add the data like 2022. It will be 10. And let's refresh. Okay, it's there. So that's how to create a chart which has the data from the Firebase. You could add a button for the refresh like this. And let's create this. Click, refresh. So before the setup, I need to create a method for the refresh. Let's create the method refresh. Window dot location dot reload. Okay, let's put this. Okay, let's see. Okay, so when that's the data, I'll change the 2022 to 5. Okay, and now let's refresh it. Yeah, it's 5. Okay, so you could also change the type of the chart. Okay, line chart. I will use line chart. Like line chart. These two line chart. Okay, let's save it. Let's see on our browser. Yeah, it's become a line chart. Let's refresh it, and it will be refreshed. Yeah. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. Please like this video if you think it's helpful, and goodbye.